Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide.
For the vehicles listed at the bottom of your screen.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift the vehicle's body to provide more room to work. Cut off the factory rear center body mount. Step 3. Cut and grind away any debris, leaving the work area as bare metal. Step 4. Paint the bare metal with a weldable primer to defend your frame from future rust. Please note that this mount is universal to both sides of the frame, so modifications need to be made to the part prior to installation to ensure proper fitment. Align the replacement mount using the factory part silhouette. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount in place prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall your vehicle's body. Now, get back out on the road.